Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error on Windows PC.
Fix 1. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz, CPL, and hit Enter. Step 2. Find all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables in a list. Step 3. Right-click each one, select Change, click Repair. Step 4. Restart your PC and check if the error is gone. Fix 2. Update Windows and Visual C++ packages. Step 1. Press Windows plus I, go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Step 2. Click Check for updates and install all updates. Step 3. Visit Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C++ redistributables. Step 4. Install them, restart your PC. Fix 3. Reinstall the problematic application. Step 1. Uninstall the app causing the runtime error. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Download the latest version of the app, reinstall it. Fix 4. Run System File Checker, SFC. Step 1. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click, Run as Administrator. Step 2. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Step 3. Wait for the scan to finish, restart your PC.